Blockchains are a new technology that is made up of old technologies that have been in use for thousands of years. For example, using tokens, coins or bills that represent a value as a form of payment. The other essential part of this equation is cryptography. And as mentioned previously, this is the practice of securing communications, but under the eye of third parties. Blockchains themselves are ledgers, and ledgers have been in use for thousands of years to record financial transactions. The concept and the technologies that are critical to the cryptocurrency market today were first introduced in the fall of 2008 in a white paper. This was initially part of a proposal for the now famous Bitcoin, with the purpose of creating a peer-to-peer money transfer system without the need for banks. As an interesting side note, this white paper was written under the name of Satoshi Nakamoto, and to this date it is not known who this person or these people are. In 2009, it was released as open source software. The blockchain technology innovation allowed Bitcoin to be considered as the first digital currency to solve the double spending problem. And double spending occurs when somebody can easily lie about receiving currency and then spend it twice with a very low chance of being caught. In 2010, Nakamoto, who had been working with other open source developers on Bitcoin, decided to step away from the project. Control was then handed over to trusted and prominent Bitcoin core developers. 2011 saw the introduction of altcoins, and these coins are considered to be any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin, and they are created from forks of Bitcoin. A fork occurs when the developers of a cryptocurrency decide to change the programming of a coin. Ideally, this is done to upgrade the code of a specific coin to help it flourish. In 2011, these forks were created to introduce cryptocurrency alternatives to Bitcoin. And since then, hundreds of new cryptocurrencies have been developed, which are gaining momentum now very quickly.